Dick's going to explain for us how the dinosaurs became extinct.
Well, it's quite easy. I wrote a paper on implications of planetary rings. When the dinosaurs were here, remember the Earth, as I said, all rings are attached to the equator, and when they're moving around, the poles are not attached to the equator. When they came together, when the North Pole and the South Pole came together and made one object, the Earth, the rings started coming down. When the rings came down, they burned up the oxygen and they smothered. Here's how they say.
Why would the rings burn up the oxygen?
Because they were meteorites. You could see a shooting star at night. What is it doing? Burning up oxygen. Okay. And they smothered. So here's the article. This was written in 1983. Here's an article in 1996 saying, you see that?
Okay.
They smothered. Wow. If you go back to the original people, the ones that had the idea that a meteorite hit the planet, blew up, blocked out the sun, and they starved to death. And they know that because there's a KT, they say there's a KT boundary layer. Beneath the KT boundary layer are dinosaurs. After the KT boundary layer, there are no dinosaurs. So they see the meteor hit. That is impossible. The only way you could have a KT boundary layer with dinosaurs underneath is have rings coming down over a period of years. When the dinosaurs died, they were there. Then the rings kept coming down and left the KT boundary layer. A meteorite couldn't have done that.
So you're saying they suffocated?
They smothered. Here, it says there. What did the dinosaurs, what did they do? Maybe lack of oxygen. Here's their clues. Here's the geniuses' clues out there that you hear. Oh, here's what they use. The volcano shut down, stopped producing CO2, and stopped producing oxygen. They smothered. I didn't write that. I wrote this. And here it says, when planet Earth started to feel the effects of the rings, then the life-producing substance of the rings allowed life to be created on Earth, from which eventually dinosaurs developed. Later and quite suddenly, when another heavy ring of iridium and carbonaceous chondrites, which are only meteorites, showered the Earth's atmosphere, spread throughout the world, the particles not only blocked out the sun's rays, but actually smothered most of the living things that existed on the top of the Earth's surface. 1983, 1996. Now that's the way it works.